Today's hack is one of my favorite. It's Facebook group. So here's what I want you to do for your agency. Actually consistently create content in a group and invite people that are your ideal customers. Let them ask questions, go live in the group, create training, give them unlimited amount of resources for free, and literally start using this like a lead nurturing platform. After they become a lead on your website, invite them to your group. Make sure you're active in that group, driving new value, giving them more resources. Go live on Facebook. Every single person I know has a Facebook account, and I've been told that Facebook group is like the modern day radio. So if you can figure out a way to attract them into your group, nurture them inside the group, and close them and give it to your salespeople, they're gonna be happy and the experience is amazing. It's all inside one platform. But I don't see a lot of agency owners actually utilizing Facebook group for their agency. Go ahead and make a group, upload a cover image, and start inviting your customers, your team members, your contracts, everybody in it, and start building a community. That's what you need to do today for your agency. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.